Welcome back to another video in the custom bike build series. Previous video we walked around the bike frame and the fork steerer, and I said we'd get to building the bike in the next video. But what I've missed out was this guy. Okay, this is the Orome AeroEvo Handlebar. Comes in this fancy bag. I'll just dig it out here. Some protective foam. Now this handlebar in particular is internally routed cabling in situ. So it's the bar itself, matte finish with some gloss. It's the AeroEvo, and yeah, as you can see, the internal cables here, if you can see that. So it shouldn't really have any cabling exposed on the actual handlebar itself. So yeah, it's also got a mount on the front there for like your Garmin cycle computers or lights, or additional GoPro attachments that you can put on the front here, so it kind of stick out the front. But yeah, I thought it was a pretty decent looking handlebar. It's also carbon as well, you know, going with that carbon theme. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is this content for you? If you do enjoy this form of content, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit subscribe, tap that bell, get all the notifications as to when I upload anything. But yeah, I'm hoping to release a bit more YouTube content or other social platforms over the course of the next year, whether it be cycling, drone flying, or you know, my next adventure. I have been paddle boarding and hill walking all year, so there is that as well. If you're into that, I'll maybe post some stuff around that. Okay, so yeah, leave you to it. Have a good day. Feel free to come back and watch the next video, where I will be hopefully measuring the fork steerer, just to get the right height. You know, where we go through the whole measure twice, cut once nonsense. I need to set up the bearings, crown race and spacers, along with the expansion plug, just to make sure I get the handlebars the right height for my frame. So yeah, have a good one, and I'll see you next video.